And welcome into Bon Appetit, and you're in for a treat in Bon Appetit, because if you're going to entertain for the Christmas holidays and even going up to New Year's, you may want to try something that's a little bit different, but yet great, and your guests are going to go, whoa, how'd you do that? Ed Gannon's with me today again from Vintage Olive. Good to have you back, buddy.
Yeah, thanks.
Listen,
always fun.
Whenever you're here, everybody says, hey, they call me up and say, now, what was this? What was that?
Yeah.
And, of course, you can go to their website and get all the different recipes to do a lot of different things.
Yeah, the vintageolive.com is loaded with good information.
Yes.
And our Facebook and Instagram pages are also good.
You
and
can
you
do
can
it all.
always do the old-fashioned thing and call us or come by.
Call them up or visit, and they're in the Pepper 2 Shopping Center.
That's correct.
Which is right in Montgomery, right along Vaughan Road, and you're open Tuesday through Saturday.
That's correct.
Not Sunday and Monday. Open up about 10 in the morning?
10 to 6.
10 to 6, each one of those days. Of course, online you can buy anything. Well, Ed, you've given me a variety of things here. First of all, there's some things you can do for hors d'oeuvres that do not require any cooking.
Yeah, if it's in the summertime, it's hot and you don't want to grill or get the stove going. This is mozzarella cheese with a basil leaf and just a little tomato. Mm-hmm. You can do variations of that we actually use raw sage leaves with them.
Wow.
We like that sage taste.
Yes.
And then this is a raspberry balsamic vinegar paired with a roasted raw walnut oil. It's one of my favorite salad dressings. But you can
and walnut is so good for you. Just walnuts in general. So I'm sure walnut oil has the same properties.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, and like the same thing, we bottle it in-house, but it's roasted, so it's got that good little roasted taste to it. Mm-hmm. And it also makes a great just bread dipping oil.
Oh, absolutely.
Mm-hmm. And we sprinkle maybe a little Parmesan cheese on it, but that's as easy as that. It's just raspberry, you can do strawberry, you can do a bunch of different vinegars on whatever you're doing on the vegetables, but that's pretty easy and it's delicious.
And then I'm going to just move this a little bit to the side because you're going to be working here for just a second so people can see. You're working with some mushrooms, Kaneka sausage. I mean, you can do wonderful things. You can do a cold version or a hot version, right?
That's correct. The cold version is, and you won't believe how good this is. This is just a portobello mushroom. We put different olive oils in there, so if you want it hot and spicy, you can do the chipotle, harissa, you can do a basil, you can do roasted onion, cilantro, so you pick your favorite. But let's see if I can cut this right there.
Yeah, it's okay.
You can see how that soaks up all the flavor in there. And we put a little herbal sea salt on it. So you can eat those like an appetizer, top them with whatever you want to, or you can chop them up, put them in your salad raw.
And
it adds a lot of flavor.
So, and then with the Kaneka's already been cooked, but you incorporate that with it also, don't you?
Well, like we get a chunk of Gouda cheese, goat cheese, pick your favorite cheese. Put the oil in there first, a little shake of salt, put a Gouda in there, top it with that, and that is mighty fine eating right there.
Imagine that is.
Yeah.
And now, this is a dip in here?
Yeah, I just picked a dip out of our refrigerator, but you can also cap those mushrooms with spinach garlic dip, spinach artichoke dip, dill dip, just whatever. And usually do that right as you take them off the grill if you're going to grill them, or you can do that raw.
Wow, it's a good way to do it. And then, of course, this is to die for right here. You said it's one of the best hors d'oeuvres or appetizers that you always get a call for.
Yeah, it's our #1 requested appetizer at the store. But this is there again, portobello mushrooms. And we'll do a hot side and a not hot side.
Okay.
Like people like spicy, people that don't. But we'll put harissa olive oil in them if we like them spicy, a little shake of herbal sea salt, and grill them. And then we grill onions, just with a little drizzle of olive oil.
And that's a white onion.
Yeah, because we usually use Vidales, but
they're not. That's right. Not the season.
We've done purple onions.
Yep. Oh yeah. You can do whatever kind you like then.
And we grill them, and then the shrimp. We buy just frozen peeled shrimp because they're easy. Let them thaw. And then we mix a little roasted onion, cilantro, olive oil, Persian lime olive oil, a little cranberry pear balsamic vinegar, and put a shake of Key West seasoning in it.
Wow. And
put the shrimp in a baggie, let them marinate anywhere from 30 minutes to overnight. And then just incorporate them with the mushrooms and onions.
And the shrimp are already cooked when you buy them frozen. You just let them defrost and they're already cooked.
I buy the ones that are peeled,
ready, everything.
No tail, no nothing. Y'all think I just thaw them. Because, if you grill the shrimp, we've done that too. It makes it even better.
Absolutely.
This can be cold or hot.
And then you've got get you some good bread, and then just, if you want to have fun at a party, these little dishes over here, these round little dishes there, Ed put them together like that so your guests can come along, take a piece of bread, dip just once, whoop, and just, that one went away. But over here, you can have a little bit of a dip. Whoop, there's nothing in there yet. It'd be nice if I put it in there, huh?
This is raspberry balsamic vinegar and roasted walnut oil.
Wow.
And that's not only a dip, that's an amazing salad dressing.
What a taste.
A little shake. This is raspberry balsamic vinegar with blood orange olive oil.
Yeah, and if you like raspberry, this is something you really need to be taking. We need again to let people know it's the Vintage Olive Pepper Tree Shopping Center in Montgomery, open from Tuesday through Saturday, 10 till 6 in the afternoon. Go online to vintageolive.com and get all of the information you need. And Ed, thanks for being here.
Yeah, this is
Next
great.
week, we're going to have you come back and talk about gift items you can give that are olive oil.
We got
And
them.
then later on in the month, we're going to be talking about how you can make your own wonderful salad dressings.
That's correct.
We'll be right back right after this.